Y'all sound amazing. 7, 8. Boom da ha. Boom da. Boom da. Boom da. High five and rotate. We're going to show you all 3 levels that you learned tonight, and then we're going to put them together. We're going to do a little mix. We started off with just getting our knees swivelly. Swivel, 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 swivel. We then added the tap. It goes tap, boom, boom. We then showed how you can travel with that, where it goes tap, boom, and tap, boom, and tap, boom, and tap. We then showed you how you can use that same energy for our follows in a whip. It goes 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you want to make it more Lindy, get down in both knees where it goes 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. If you want to make it more West Coast swing, stand up straight, only bending one knee at a time. 8, 1, 2, make it cool. Do da. From this 8, we can then go into those swivel steps. Woom da ha, woom da ha, woom da ha. All of it together looks like this, and we'll show you a bonus circular swivel, a Lindy circle. It goes 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Woom da ha, woom da ha, woom da ha, woom da ha. Straight into your whip. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Allie. Thank you. We're going to do a mixer. 6, 7,